Hi, I'm Victoria Matu, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about travel and humanitarian work. It's about not only going a place as a tourist, but going and sharing the love of God, just showing love to the people that you're going to visit. In less than 2 days, I will be going on the biggest trip of my life, and I am super excited, and I want to take you along with me. But before we go, I'm going to be talking about what to pack for your humanitarian trip. Stay tuned. Before I get into the details of what should go in your suitcase, there are some basic things that you've got to have. You've got to have your passport. You've got to have your visa. You've got to have your international vaccination card and know what vaccines are required for the location you're going. And in this post-COVID environment, you've got to have a negative PCR test, which is a test for COVID that is required for international travel. Packing for a humanitarian trip is just like planning for any other trip. You need to think about 3 things. 1, you need to think about how long you're going to stay. 2, you're going to think about where you're going. And 3, you're going to think about what will you be doing while you're on this trip. For my particular trip this time, I'm going to be gone for 14 days, so I'll need the basics like toiletries, clothes, and other essentials. And I'm going to be in Uganda during the rainy season. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you take a look into my suitcase and what I'll be taking on my first trip to Africa, to the country of Uganda. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm here in my bedroom and I wanted to share with you just some of the things that I'll be packing for my trip. I'm going to be doing more humanitarian work. So anytime you're traveling international, you want to have comfortable clothing, comfortable shoes, and of course I'll be on my feet a lot. So I packed some long dresses and I'll be dressing a little bit more conservatively for this trip. So I got this long skirt. I have packed, of course, some just comfortable tops. And that's generally what I'll be wearing, long skirts and comfortable tops while I'm there. It's gonna be the rainy season in Uganda. So of course, I brought rain boots, which are essential, and a raincoat. Those are some essentials there. Also, I brought mosquito spray, and then it was recommended to also bring toilet paper and flushable wipes, just in case I go to a location or I'm out at a location that doesn't have tissue in the facilities. Because of the COVID-19 crisis, and I'll be working closely with people in a clinic, I'm also going to be bringing face masks, a face shield, and I will be bringing hand sanitizer. And of course, what's really important is a universal adapter so that I can charge all of the essentials that I'll need for my trip. And I will be bringing a flashlight just in case I need it. You want to make sure that you have made a list, you checked it twice, because once you're in another country, you're in another country. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I hope that your travels are safe and successful as you serve purposefully. Thank you. Come back for the next video.